First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes manual, monitor, yoke bracket, cigarette lighter adapter, Type-C power cable, USB power cord, charger, antenna, screws 3M sticker and solar backup camera. Install 2 of the antennas to the monitor at the same time. Install the third antenna to the camera. Pick up the 3M sticker. Tear off the 3M sticker. Paste it to the bottom of the U-shaped bracket. Tear off the other 3M sticker and install it on the dashboard. After adjusted the angle, tighten the screws. The camera is magnetic and can be easily installed at a suitable location on the vehicle. The camera angle can be flexibly adjusted. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. There is a protective film on the screen. When it is scratched and affects use, you can pull up the green label and tear it off. Pick up cigarette lighter adapter. Connect one end of the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Insert the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Pick up the USB power cord. Connect one end of the USB power cable to the monitor. Plug the USB connector of the power cord into the charger. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. There is a power button on the USB power cord. Press it to turn off the monitor. Press the power button again to turn on the monitor. Please make sure your computer is turned off before the pairing begins. Long press the camera power button to turn off the camera. Camera indicator does not light up after power off. Touch the second key to enter menu mode. Touch the third key to enter the pairing countdown. Press the camera's power button to turn on the camera. Indicator light is on when the camera is turned on. An image appears on the screen to indicate successful pairing. When the camera is charging, the first light will come on, and the color is red. All of the remaining 3 indicators are on to indicate that the camera is fully charged. When one of the power indicators is not lit, it means that the power is decreasing. When all the power indicators are off, the camera needs to be recharged. Touch the second key to enter menu mode. The first icon is for pairing signals. If you have an image, ignore the. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to switch to the picture. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 3rd key to select. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to adjust the brightness. Touch the 2nd key to saved. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to switch to the contrast. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to adjust the contrast. Touch the 2nd key to saved. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to switch to the HUE. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to adjust the HUE. Touch the 2nd key to saved. Touch the 2nd key to return to the previous interface. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to select the mode you need. Touch the 2nd key to return to the previous interface. Touch the 5th, 6th keys to switch to the system. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. You can set the system time, turn on off the guideline or switch the language. Touch the 2nd key to return to the previous interface. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to switch to the record. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. You can turn on off the recording or rewriting function as well as formatting the SD card. Touch the 2nd key to return to the previous interface. Can't get to the play screen when you don't have the SD card inserted. Touch the 2nd key to quit the menu mode. Power off the monitor before inserting the card in case the SD card is incorrectly recognized. Use tools to loosen screws. Open the back cover. Insert the SD card into the monitor. Cover the back cover and tighten the screws. Turn on the monitor's power. Touch the 2nd key to enter menu mode. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to switch to the record. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to switch to the format. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to turn on the format the SD card. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. When you insert a new SD card, please format the SD card first. Touch the 2nd key to quit the menu mode. When the rec appears in the screen, it indicates that the monitor is recording. When the memory card icon in the upper right corner of the display is yellow, it means that the recognition is successful. You can also check the camera's battery level by using the battery icon. Touch the 3rd key to turn on off the video recording function. Touch the 2nd key to enter menu mode. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to switch to the play. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touch the 3rd button to select the desired folder. Touch the 5th or 6th keys to select the video you view. Touch the 3rd key to confirm. Touches the 2nd key to quit the menu mode. Make sure to turn off the video recording function when adjusting the guideline. Long press the 3rd key to close open the guideline. Touch the 3rd key to turn off the recording. Long press the 3rd key to close open the guideline. Touch the 3rd key to turn on the guideline. Touch the 2nd key to quit the menu mode. Touch the 2nd key to enter menu mode. Touch the 3rd key to quit the menu mode. Touch the 3rd key to close open the guideline. Touch the 3rd key to turn off the recording. Touch the 3rd key to enter menu mode. Touch the 3rd key to quit the menu mode. Touch the 3rd key to turn off the recording. Touch the 3rd key to enter menu mode. Touch the 3rd key to close open the guideline. Long press the 3rd key to turn on the guideline. when the guideline appear on the screen. Long touch the fourth key, the H appear on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the fourth key, the M appear on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to moving the guideline left or right. Touch the fourth key, the W appear on the screen. Touch the fifth or sixth keys to adjust the width of the guideline. Automatic saving of settings when the letter disappears.